Today we're going to see if these soups are worth stockpiling. Hello everyone, thank you for joining me, Working Shopper. So I have a pot of water boiling on the stove. This needs to be rehydrated. It is a Frontier soup. Now if you wanted to, you could add meat or chicken, but I'm not. I'm going to add some garbanzo beans, an egg. I'm going to add some baby corn, and I'm going to put the rest. I have like a little bit of bone broth left. I'm going to put the rest of that in there. And we're going to see if this soup tastes good. For the Amy's, we're just going to open it like it is. It's pop top, so that'll be perfect if the grid goes out and you just need to eat really quickly. If you need to eat on the go, that's perfect. You just pop the top and grab a spoon. So I will not be warming this up. This one has to be rehydrated, so I will warm it up. I hope your day is going great. I hope you had something delicious to eat today. If you have not eaten already, go ahead and grab yourself a snack. I am going to warm this up and I'll be right back. I wasn't recording, so I don't know how much you saw or didn't see. These are tortilla chips. They're grain-free. I already took the first bite. But anyway, let's do this again. I'm recording now. You actually can't tell that it was dehydrated. You can't even tell it was dehydrated. Oh yeah, I was saying about my eggs. My eggs were 3 weeks past the due date. My eggs were 3 weeks past the expiration date. So I had to check them to make sure that they were still good to eat. These are from the sOup brand. I like the brand. So for this Thai curry, I wanted to try this Amy pea soup. I was gonna heat it up, but then I said, why bother? Let's be wild and try it cold. It's there. Let's try this first. Okay, that was a bad idea. It's very chunky. I actually can't taste that sweet potato. It's okay. I think their entrees are better than their soups. It's great for convenience, but the flavor doesn't scream Thai. Another difference, everything from the can is mushy. Whereas the dehydrated soup kept its texture. I don't eat a lot of soups. But if I had to stockpile, I think I would definitely go for the dehydrated version. Even though it needs to be warmed up, I prefer the texture of this to the texture of the canned soup. Something that's fresh tasting. Yeah. Whew. All that liquid filled me up. Well, definitely I would choose the dehydrated version over the canned soup just for the texture alone. You can always season the dehydrated soup the way that you want. The canned soup, even though it tastes okay, everything was just mushy. Like everything had the same exact mushiness. So for texture alone, yeah, I would choose dehydrated soup. Anyway, thank you guys for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you had something delicious to eat today as well and that your day is going great. Stay sane among all the insanity happening across the world. I'll catch you in the